This function, or this problem, is asking me to sketch a graph of the following rational function, and it says make sure to include points and asymptotes sketched. So whenever we're doing a rational function, the first step is to factor. Numerator is already factored. The denominator can factor into x plus 2, x minus 2. So now I can start looking for my key features. First key feature, there's no holes because nothing cancels. So I can start looking for my x-intercept by setting my numerator, x plus 4, equal to 0, and solving, and I get an x-intercept at negative 4, 0, which is right here. I can find my y-intercept by substituting in 0 everywhere, and I get 4 over negative 4, which is negative 1. So I have a y-intercept at negative 1, 0, negative 1, right there. Then I can find my vertical asymptotes by setting my denominator factors equal to 0. So I have a vertical asymptote at x equals 2, and another vertical asymptote at x equals negative 2. And then the next thing I need to do is find my horizontal asymptote, and since my numerator degree is 1 and my denominator degree is 2, the alligator's eating my denominator, and my horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0. So the first piece of my graph I know goes through that root. Since this vertical asymptote has a multiplicity of 1, I know my graph has to be on the other side of that vertical asymptote. And then, not that it's going to be anything like this on your test, but I'm going to have my piece up here. It hits this magical portal that lets it cross the horizontal asymptote at one place and one place only, and then it comes back and kind of kisses that horizontal asymptote at y equals 0 all the way to negative infinity. And this is your graph. Remember, you do have access to your calculator for your test, and so you could always graph this in y equals and do a zoom 6 and get something that you can put on your test if you forget how to do this.